In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Tarpapel or tarpaulin layout using Microsoft Excel. Whether you're planning an event, designing promotional material, or just exploring your creative side, Excel can be a surprisingly versatile tool. So let's dive right in and set everything up step by step. First, go ahead and launch Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once you've got Excel open, we're going to set the foundation of your design by modifying the page layout. Head over to the top of the screen and find the Page Layout tab. This is where you'll adjust the page's orientation. You have the option to choose between portrait or landscape mode, but for a tarpaulin layout, I highly recommend going with landscape. It's more accommodating for wider designs, giving you ample space to work with. Next up, you'll need to set the size of your page. Navigate to the size option, and here you can choose A4 or any other size that suits your project. A4 is a solid default choice, but if you have specific dimensions in mind, don't hesitate to pick those. This is crucial as it determines how your final layout will look when printed or displayed. Now let's add some visuals to your project. After all, a tarpaulin often features vibrant images or eye-catching graphics. To do this, click on the Insert tab, which you'll find easily along the top menu. From here, select Pictures. This allows you to browse your files and locate the image you want to incorporate into your design. Once you've inserted your chosen image, you have the flexibility to drag it around the page. Position it where you think it fits best and resize it as necessary. To resize, just click and drag the corners of the image. This will maintain the aspect ratio, ensuring your image doesn't become distorted. It's important to make sure your image fits nicely within the printable area of the sheet. If it's cut off or doesn't print correctly, adjusting its placement within these boundaries should resolve any issues. And there you have it. You've just created a basic tarpaulin layout using Microsoft Excel. Simple, isn't it? Who knew that Excel could be such a handy design tool? Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you learn something new today. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more guides just like this one. Your support means a lot, and it keeps us motivated to create more content for you. Until next time, take care and have fun experimenting with your tarpaulin designs.